What if I told you, at the top of a roller coaster loop, gravity is trying to pull you down, but somehow you don't fall? It feels intense, but it's actually perfect physics, and once you understand this, roller coasters will never look the same again. Welcome back to Learn with Adeesha. Today, we're turning one of the world's most exciting rides into a simple physics lesson you'll never forget. At the very top of the ride, the coaster has something called potential energy. That means stored energy, just waiting to be released. As it drops, that energy transforms into kinetic energy, energy of motion. The higher the drop, the faster it goes. That feeling you get in your stomach, now you know why. Energy creates speed, and speed keeps you safely in motion. Now here's the part you feel, that strange stomach drop. That happens because your body and the coaster accelerate together downward. For a brief moment, you feel almost weightless. You may notice your hands feel lighter during a drop. Now the big question, why don't you fall at the top of a loop? It's because of something called centripetal force. The track and your speed keep you moving in a circle, pressing you toward the center. If it slows down too much, it wouldn't stay on the track at the top. So even when you're upside down, you stay pressed into your seat. It's your speed and circular motion doing the work. Correct. It's your speed and circular motion doing the work. So even when you're upside down, you stay pressed into your seat. Quick challenge. At the top of a loop, what keeps you from falling? A. Gravity. B. Air resistance. C. Speed plus centripetal force. D. Seatbelt only. Correct answer C. Engineers design every curve, drop, and loop very carefully. Too slow, and the ride doesn't finish. Too fast, and it's no longer efficient. So they calculate the perfect balance between energy, gravity, and motion. This precision ensures every ride is a smooth and thrilling experience. This same physics isn't just for roller coasters. It's used in space missions. This precision physics also powers modern car safety systems. This same physics even governs the movement of planetary orbits. So the next time you're on a roller coaster, remember, you're not just screaming. You're riding a perfectly controlled physics experiment. Energy creates speed, and speed keeps you safely in motion. Bonus question. Which part of the ride has the most kinetic energy? A. Top, B. Middle, C. Bottom, D. Loop. Correct answer is C. Bottom. But in a safe thought experiment, here's something even more interesting. What if a roller coaster suddenly lost its energy? What would happen next? We're breaking that down in the next video. Follow Learn with Adeesha, because the more you understand, the more the world becomes amazing.